Yo, what is up, guys? Dang it, the Shepherd Gamer here, and I'm going to make a new video. This game is called Broforce. It does cost money. It's just that we got it for free because we are PlayStation Plus. Because we have PlayStation Plus.
If you can't see, I'm blowing everything up.
What?
Crap! I just.
This game is actually hard if you get into it enough.
Like, we're on the 8th level. Like, on each level, there's like 5 parts of it. And it's really hard. Oh crap! Oh, that was close, Landon. Oh man, I want to blow it up. Are you have the guy with the?
I knocked him out. What?
Sprint.
Oh my God! What?
Yeah. Oh. He just missed you. You missed him. Oh.
Wow. Okay. As you can see, this game is like freaking
violent.
No, there's just some
blood.
No. I just want to get you out of there.
That guy's
freak.
That's one reason that guy sucks.
There's multiple characters.
Use that.
All characters have bro in the name of them.
I don't know who this person is. It looks like she's naked. Oh! What the heck?
This is bullcrap. Also, I want to give another shout out to Echo Vortex. He's starting a YouTube channel. He's my brother, but he is also starting a channel. So, give a shout out to him so he can. Everything is going away.
Yeah, I'm just blowing everything up. You can get that guy. I love Brominator.
I don't know who this is.
You got one of the good guys. Oh, but how come you get to be alive again? You still have 2 more lives too.
What the freak?
Now you have. This is your last life.
This is bullcrap. That's what it is.
Yep.
So how did you call in reinforcements?
I don't get how they know exactly where we are, and they're just destroying their own base because, like, they're throwing airstrikes at us.
Let's see if I can turn it
Yes, bro, in black. Yeah! My favorite guy. This is why he's my favorite.
I don't like this guy. You always need to pay attention during this game because. What was that?
I hate this.
Oh gosh, thank you.
Yeah, there's one person who has double people. There's Double O Bro. He's off of 007. Who is this guy? He's a bro soldier.
Oh yes.
Oh flip! Ooh, oh crap! Oh, you're still alive. You were alive.
I didn't see me on the screen. That's why I stopped moving.
That's because you started blinking red. No.
Oh, this is bullcrap. I hate this girl.
Oh, he has a crush on this girl.
No, it's the other girl that. Oh wait, no, this is the girl. It's a Jetpack. Oh, it's Jetpack Joyride all over again. But she's a girl.
Jetpack Girl Ride.
I'm done. This is bullcrap. I don't like this game anymore. Yeah, it's a really fun game.
Shotgun! This is the best guy in the world.
It's like, I think it's like $14, I think. I don't know. I forget.
I can't shoot this guy.
Yeah.
Not you. Oh, the guy with that thing is really good.
Oh, you killed me, you jerk! What the freak?
Okay. Bye. Should I save him or should I? Yeah.
I thought I was gonna die right there.
Whee.
Yeah. Yo, what the freak?
I killed you again.
Should I stay or should I go?
Oh.
You can play this 1 player, you can play it 2 player, you can play it 4 player.
You can play it online.
What the freak? Why did he shoot as soon as I got there? Yeah, you can also play it online. Show you that was stupid.
3, 2, 1,
I don't know why we can't make this over.
Because it's
I'm a flamethrower. I'm Pyro.
What the heck?
If you don't know who that is.
Save me. Save me.
Oh, I was lucky not to hit the bridge. Watch what I do. Watch when I do this. This. Oh yeah, I'm flexing.
Oh yeah, I can flex.
Flex. Oh.
I have bigger muscles than you.
I'm black though.
Okay, that's racist.
No, it isn't.
You said I'm black though. What do you mean?
Oh my gosh, the game is getting a little bit laggy. One time we had to stop playing it because it was getting really laggy because all the explosions everywhere. Like seriously, I'm not kidding around. This is how laggy. That's how laggy the game gets when it does that. Like that. Ah, you're done.
I think that I'll be back. Don't say anything yet.
I'm done. This game is done. I protect you, Trey. Oh, wow. Never mind, Trey. Ah, run away! Run away! How are you not dead? Die. Ow. Ow. No. Don't hit me. I'm done. Okay, I'm still here, but I'm dead. My brother. Okay.
Daddy said take the stuff out of the water.
Trey, get in here right now.
1,000.
Indiana Bruins.
How'd you already die?
I had an accident. They're going to kill you. Just, oh yeah, shoot bullet.
Still got him.
You suck.
I still killed them. And plus that guy sucked.
How do I stop you? Stop it! Shut up! Shut up!
And you're dead.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Do you see what I'm talking about? Oh! That is horrible.
It just bounces off the dirt.
Oh, dang it! This is.
Dude, this is
Stop
crazy.
it!
Save me! Save me!
Come on.
I'm just right down there.
You're just right down there where the missiles are going off.
Run!
Get out of here, soldier.
Oh, flip. I want to go this way. So
How do I stop it?
push triangle.
I'm stopping it.
Shoot under it. Or let that happen.
Oh, that was our dude. Here, guys. Become my friend.
You can revive them. What the heck? Ah! Save me, save me, save me.
Our dudes are stupid.
Yeah.
So, later in the game...
Like one time, they climbed up a building and then just jumped off on purpose. Ah! Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
No, Cash, no.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Nobody knows in your room that possibly do that.
I do. I'll tell you a second one.
How did I die? It makes no freaking sense.
What is it?
Yes, checkpoint landed. Yeah.
Just what is it?
Ow! Gotcha. Landed. You're alive.
What is it, man?
I'll tell you in a minute.
Just tell me.
That's my chocolate.
It's BLT.
That's my chocolate.
BLT, boys. I can't say it on camera.
Get me, get me.
I'll just look in a second.
Woo.
How do I do this?
Save.
How do I push the... Oh, there it is, okay. Hey!
Did you get me?
Yeah.
What am I? Oh, I I love this dude actually. He has really far range. Oh!
Don't die, don't die, don't die.
I died.
Oh, that was lucky.
Lag. Freaking lag.
Lag saved me.
They're just flopping out of the trap. Oh!
No, dang it. I'll have to end this video here, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Chocolate bunny, chocolate.